In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove site from allowed notifications on Chrome. If you've been getting pop-ups from a website you granted permission to in the past, this walkthrough will show you how to quickly take that permission back, either by removing it or by blocking the site so it can't ask again. Start by opening Google Chrome. At the top right, click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. In the Settings page, look for Privacy and Security. Select it and then open Site Settings. Inside Site Settings, find and click Notifications. This is the control center for all notification permissions in Chrome. You'll see sections that organize sites by their current status. The one we want is labeled Allowed to Send Notifications. Every website listed there currently has permission to show alerts on your device. Scroll through that allowed list and locate the website you want to change. Once you've found it, click the three dots to the right of the site's name. You'll see two relevant options. Choose Remove to delete the site from your allowed list. This resets its permission, which means you won't keep getting notifications from it, but the site can ask for permission again the next time you visit. If you'd prefer to stop notifications and also prevent the site from asking in the future, choose Block. Blocking is the stronger option and is great for sites that you never want to hear from again. Either choice takes effect immediately, and you don't need to restart your browser. If you want to jump straight to the notifications page without clicking through menus, there's a shortcut. In Chrome's address bar, type chrome/settings/content notifications and press enter. This opens the same notification settings instantly, which can save time, especially if you manage these settings often. A quick note on what to expect. After you remove a site, it won't send new notifications, but you might be prompted to allow them again when you revisit the site. If you don't want to see those prompts, use Block instead. Also, the layout of Chrome's settings can look slightly different depending on your version and device, but the path and options are the same. That's it. By navigating to notifications in Chrome's site settings, finding the site under Allowed, and choosing Remove or Block, you stay in control of which websites can get your attention. Review this list from time to time to keep distractions low and your browsing experience focused.